Hey, what's up, folks? I'm out here on a stretch of Mexico Highway, and as you can see, there's not too many cars on the highway here, but the cars that are on the highway are going pretty quick. So I'm going to try to get past these people and find some open space to try to do a top speed run. Look at this. I'm barely passing. I'm going 100. Okay, so it looks like we got some open road now, but I have a good spot where I like to do my speed runs. So I have the Cobb Stage 1 tune. I just got that not too long ago, and it removes the top speed limiter at 120. Okay, just as I said that, we have a whole bunch of traffic up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But anyway, Cobb Stage 1 tune, K&N drop-in filter, everything else on the car is completely stock. Down to the tires, everything is completely stock. It opened up a little bit, so I'll do a little to 120 pulse. So I'm gonna put it in, let's see, put it in track mode, and we'll see if we can get up to 120 real quick. Folks, about to do our top speed run. Ambient air 66, intake air is 66. See what happens. Put it in track. Pretty good. I mean, it felt like it could probably go a little bit more, but I'll consider that the top speed. Pretty impressed with this, with the Cobb Stage 1 tune.